let's take a walk through the world's largest beach shop, located in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Is it the world's largest? I'm not sure, but it sure felt like it the more I walked around and checked things out. They had everything here. We're gonna do a point of view video, so stay tuned. Let's walk the shop and know what you're getting yourself into if you ever walk in one. The decor was unbelievable. It was so much fun just walking around and checking things out. So let's look around. Hey you, watching our video, we appreciate you. We thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Well, also, take a second and give us a big thumbs up. Let us know how we're doing in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much. They literally have everything here. Anything you need for the beach, anything you need to decorate your house, anything you need to wear, and toys for the family. It's really awesome. I can't believe the amount of stuff they have here. We've come to the end of the video. I want to thank you for watching. Give us a big thumbs up and a subscribe. It really helps us out. Thank you so much.